Relationships in two variables test. Number 1. The table shows the relationship between D, the amount of money Alice has at the beginning of each day, and W, the amount of money she has after riding the bus to work. Alice's money. Money at the beginning of the day, D, $15.75, $9.50, $5.25, $30. Money after riding the bus to work, W, $14.50, $8.25, $4, $28.75. Which equation represents the relationship in the table? A, W equals D plus 125. B, W equals 1450 D plus 125. C, W equals 1575 D minus 125. Or D, W equals D minus 125. Number 2. Mr. Martinez asked his students to write a situation that could describe the relationship between all the values of x and y in the table. X, 0, 1, 2, 3, y, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which situation best describes the relationship between all the values of x and y in the table? A, Rachel had $6 and then started to save $1 each week. B, Beatrice ran 1 mile for the first week and 1 mile each week after that. C, James read 0 books in 6 months and then started to read 1 book each week. D, Marion has 6 times the number of toy trains that Tony has. Number 3. The graph shows the amount of money earned by an employee based on the time he spent working. Money earned. Amount earned dollars, time spent working hours. Which list shows the dependent quantities in the graph? A, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. D, 101, 202, 303, 404, 505. Number 4. 4 points are graphed on the coordinate grid. Which ordered pair does not appear to be represented by one of these points? A, 5 over 2, negative 3. B, negative 1, negative 1 and 1/2. C, 3 over 2, 2. D, negative 4, 1/2. Number 5. Arthur is recording data about a plant's growth in the table below. Week, 4, 6, 8, 10. Height, centimeters, 8, 10, 12, 14. Based on the information in the table, which equation best represents the relationship between the number of weeks, x, and the height of the plant in centimeters, y? A, y equals 2x. B, y equals x plus 2. C, y equals x plus 4. D, y equals x minus 4. Number 6. The graph shows the number of points y a player earns in a balloon game based on the number of balloons the player pops x. Balloon game. Number of points, number of balloons popped. Which equation best represents the relationship between x and y? A, y equals x plus 25. B, B, x equals y plus 25. C, x equals 25y. Or D, y equals 25x. Number 7. The graph below shows the number of words per minute that Paula types. Paula's typing. Number of words, number of minutes. Which of the following statements is true about the relationship represented in the graph? A, the number of words is the dependent quantity because it depends on the number of words. B, the number of words is dependent quantity because it depends on the number of minutes. C, the number of minutes is the independent quantity because it is represented on the y-axis. D, the number of words is the independent quantity because it is represented on the y-axis. Number 8. A coordinate grid is shown below. Which ordered pair describes a point located 4 units to the left of the origin and 2 units below the x-axis? A, 4, 2. B, negative 4, negative 2. C, negative 4, 2. D, 4, negative 2. Use the following information to answer questions 9 and 10. Benicia graphed point G on the coordinate grid. She will graph point H at a location 5 units away from point G. Number 9. In what quadrant is point G? A, quadrant 1, B, quadrant 2, C, quadrant 3, D, quadrant 4. Number 10. Which ordered pair could represent the location of point H? Negative 4, 5, A, B, negative 9, 8, C, 1, 3, D, negative 4, negative 1. Number 11. The cost of downloading one song from a website is 99 cents. Which equation can be used to find T, the cost in dollars of downloading N songs? A, T equals 99 cents plus N. B, N equals 99 hundredths plus T. C, T equals 99 hundredths N. D, N equals 99 hundredths T. Number 12. A coordinate grid is shown below. What is the x-coordinate of point V? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to include the correct place value. Number 13. Mary is selling homemade fruit punch at a fair. This table compares the number of glasses of fruit punch she sells to the profit she earns. What is the dependent variable? Glasses sold, 6, 8, 10, 12. Profit, 9, 12, 15, 18, all in dollars. A, the number of glasses sold because it determines the profit earned. B, the number of glasses sold because it's always less than the profit earned. C, the profit earned because it varies according to the number of glasses sold. Or D, the profit earned because it's always greater than the number of glasses sold. Number 14. Which coordinate does not lie on the line shown in the graph? A, negative 1/2, 1/2. B, 3/2, negative 3/2. C, 5/2, negative 5/2. D, 7/2, 7/2. 15. The table shows the perimeter P of several squares. Side length N, 8, 11, 14, 18. Perimeter P, 32, 44, 56, 72. Write an equation that represents the relationship in the table. Use UPS check solving strategy to answer this question and to get full credit. Write your response on the back of your Scantron.